Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
Start by measuring ingredients precisely. Combine 500 g all-purpose flour, 50 g sugar, 10 g salt, and 7 g instant yeast in a large bowl. Warm 300 ml plant milk to 30-35 degrees C and stir in 50 ml neutral oil. Add to dry mix and form a shaggy dough. Knead gently for 3 to 5 minutes, then shape into a rectangle and chill 30 minutes. Meanwhile, form 300 g chilled vegan butter into a 20x 10 cm block between parchment. Keep everything cold to preserve layers and prevent butter melting. On a lightly floured surface, roll the chilled dough to a 25x 40 cm rectangle. Center the 20x 10 cm butter block, fold dough over and seal edges to encase butter. Perform 3 double turns. Fold into thirds, rotate 90 degrees, roll again. Rest 20-30 minutes in the fridge between each turn to relax gluten and keep butter firm. After the final turn, chill 30 minutes. Then roll to roughly 30x 40 cm and cut into triangles about 10 cm wide at the base for shaping. To shape, stretch triangle bases slightly, roll from base toward tip keeping a tight spiral, and place croissants on a baking tray with parchment, spaced 3-4 cm apart. Proof at 24-26 degrees C until almost doubled, about 90-120 minutes depending on room temperature. A slower overnight proof in the fridge develops flavor. Brush gently with 1 tablespoon aquafaba or plant milk for color. Then bake at 200 degrees C for 18-22 minutes until deep golden. Bake until internal temperature reaches about 92 degrees C. Cool on a rack to set flaky layers. Freeze unbaked for up to 1 month.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.